Hi, today we are on our Ford Mondeo MK1, and as we have a problem with the indicator switch which fuse everything, we're gonna be changing it today. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that now. So the tools we will need are a Phillips screwdriver, a big one, and if you got a small one as well, that'll be great. If you don't have it, because I don't have one, so I use a ratchet, and I just put a Phillips extension inside. That will be all. And now what we need to do is to lower the steering wheel at its maximum. So you've got below the steering wheel on the side, on the left side, you got something that you can pull, and you'll be able to bring it down. Then you block it again. Okay, and now we're gonna start working. Now if you look on top, here, just at the between the dash and that part, there's two holes on each side. So if you want to put that screwdriver, it will not fit in because this will block. So that's why you will need that small screwdriver, and if you don't have it, in that case you will use that. So you put it inside, and we'll start unscrewing. Okay, so you do it one side, and we do it the other side as well. Now that I've removed the screws, we need to remove that plastic part that's behind the steering wheel. So we're gonna lift it up. It should come up pretty easy, but it will be stuck a little bit. It may, as you can see, there's those little rubber on each side, and as it gets fitted inside, it may get stuck a little bit, so we will help it a bit. So you lift it, as you can see, it's stuck a bit here. I help it, and here we go. Okay, now it's off everything, and we pull it towards us via the steering wheel, and it's off. Okay, now it's all free. Okay, now we need to remove the part, but with the sun I'm not sure we'll be able to see it, so I will show you in the other part that I've got here. As you can see, I hold it the same way, and if you look on top of it, you see there's that little clip that's here. So we just hold it from the center and we pull it towards the left like this. Okay, and normally the part will lift up, so we're gonna do it here, and normally we'll see it. As you can see, it lifted, so now we pull it gently and it comes out. But now we need to remove the electrical parts. I'm sorry, with the sun it's terrible, very difficult to show you, so I will point a screwdriver, which will be better on my hands. But as you can see here, I've got the wires, okay, with the plug fitted inside the parts. And if you look here, there's a little clip that you push. So obviously I'm not going to push it with my fingers because you won't see anything on the video, so I will do it with a screwdriver. But if I push it in, it will unclip. Okay, so I'll do it now, and as you can see, it unclip immediately, and now we have the part that's free, that we can remove. I will try to show you how it gets fitted. So as you can see here, it hook inside the parts, and here that's where it clips. Okay, now we need to fit the new part, so it's gonna be the same thing but at reverse. So I'm very sorry, because with the space that's a bit tight and the sun, it's a bit difficult. So we're gonna put that hook first. Okay, what I showed you before, we're gonna put it inside. Okay, as you can see, it's fitted, and now it makes like a lever, and it should clip. Clack. Okay, now it's good, it's held. Now we put it in its position where it should be, and we just push it in, and it should clip as well. Clack. Okay, we heard it. Before to place the cover, just make sure that both rubber on each side are properly placed. As you can see here, that's the rubber I'm talking about. As you can see, it move. Now if you look at it, there's one side that's a bit rounded, the other side that's more flat, and as you can see it's a bit rectangular. So the proper way to place it is the flat part towards us, the round part towards the dash. So make sure you place both correctly and that they are fitted, you know, the groove is actually fitted in the plastic below. Once it's fitted, then we're gonna put the cover. Now we're gonna place back the cover. This time I will do it by above the steering wheel. I fit it inside in an angle and I slide it in. Okay, so you need to find where it should go. It should go without nothing holding it. Huh? It should go pretty easy. As you can see, it goes pretty nicely. You find its location. You make sure this fits inside properly, and on the other side as well. Once it's fitted in place, we put back the 2 screws and we done, finished. Okay, so I hope this will have taught you something else, and see you in the next video. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video that I've shown you and you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. And if you feel like it, you can leave me a comment as well. Well, see you on the next video.